Hi guys, the Toyota Prius has issue with the air condition system. The customer says that from the front ones on side below warm air well, the other side below cold air. Most of the time, this problem is fixed by running the initializing progress in the diagnosis system. But if that doesn't slow it, that the servo motor definitely need to be replaced to fix the issue.
In order to remove the dashboard, all auxiliary components mounted on the dashboard shell must be detached first. After that, the entire dashboard assembly can be extracted from its position. For servo motor replacement, the complete dashboard module has to be removed. Ensure that all disassembly steps are performed with proper care and according to procedure. At this stage, I've removed all the components related to the dashboard shell, and now it's time to take the dashboard shell out of the vehicle.
I've removed the dashboard shell. Now is this area you can see the heater housing and the servo motor assembly. To replace the servo motor, the control unit assembly and all connected connectors need to be removed, and this section of the heater housing must to be separated. At this point, it's important to mention that for replacing the Toyota Prius servo motor, there is no need to fully disassemble the entire heater housing. Before removing the servo motor from the housing, make sure to mark the servo motor timing positions. This will make the job much easier during disassembly.
This part is called a servo motor, and this one is an original component. Make sure to use genuine parts. The servo motors must be installed exactly at their correct timing positions. Pay close attention. If they are not installed correctly, the air conditioning system will not operate properly, and the vent positions will be completely misaligned. This procedure must be performed with full concentration to ensure the issue is fully resolved.
Here we have the second servo motor, which is responsible for changing the vent positions, also known as the mode control. With this special tool, you can easily loosen and tighten the servo motor screws. Check this out. These are the soles I'm talking about. Make sure the marks you meet line up perfectly with these slots so the servo motor timing is correct. After replacing the servo motor and before reinstalling the dashboard, make sure to check the airflow and the heating and cooling system. Check the mode setting and use the diagnosis tool to perform the air condition initializing in the utility section. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll be sharing more important car tip in the next video.
You say